In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload website on GoDaddy. By the end, you'll have your site files uploaded and viewable on your domain using GoDaddy's cPanel file manager. Start by heading to the GoDaddy website and signing into your account. Once you're in, open the profile menu at the top right and go to My Products. This is your dashboard for everything you own with GoDaddy. Here, you can quickly confirm the domain you want to use and the hosting plan that will serve your website. Under Domains, choose Manage All to open the domain portfolio. From there, select DNS for the domain you're publishing to. You don't need to change anything right now. This view simply confirms you're working with the correct domain and where its DNS is managed. Next, locate your hosting. Scroll to the web hosting section, find your hosting plan, and click Manage. On the hosting dashboard, open cPanel Admin. Inside cPanel, launch File Manager. This is where you'll place your website files. In the left sidebar, open the public HTML directory. For most primary domains on a cPanel account, public HTML is the document root, meaning files here are what visitors see when they load your domain. If you already see default files, leave them alone unless you know you don't need them. It's a good idea to keep a quick backup before replacing anything important. Now upload your site. Click the upload button, then drag and drop your website files, or use select file to choose them from your computer. Make sure your site includes a main landing file named index.html or index.php, and keep your folder structure intact so links to CSS, JavaScript, and images continue to work. If you have many files, consider uploading them as a single zip to speed things up. If you uploaded a zip returned to public HTML, right-click the zip file and choose Extract. After extraction, check that your website files sit directly inside public HTML, not inside an extra nested folder. If they are nested, move the contents up so your index file is in public HTML. Finally, verify everything went live by typing your domain into a browser. If you don't see changes right away, hard refresh the page or clear your cache. DNS and caching can sometimes delay updates briefly. If the page shows a directory listing or a 404, double check that your index file is present and correctly named in public HTML. That's it. Your website is now uploaded on GoDaddy.